Hello students, now we are going to start HOTS of chapter 2. So first question is, a drum of kerosene oil is 3/4 full. When 15 liters of oil is drawn from it, it is 7/12 full. Find the total capacity of the drum. Okay, so let's see this. So we have wrote the question. Now here a drum of kerosene oil is 3/4 full. So first we will understand this question with the help of a diagram. So I have drawn this drum. This is a drum, and first sentence they have given, a drum of kerosene oil is 3/4 full. So up to this is whole. If you see up to this is whole drum, and the oil kerosene oil is 3/4 filled, means this is everything filled with kerosene 3/4, and up to this is full. Okay, when 15 liters of oil is drawn from it, from this 3/4 full, if 15 liters of oil is drawn, suppose they removed this much oil. Okay, 15 liters, this is 15 liters. Okay, they removed, it is 7 full, the remaining is what, 7/12 full. Okay, so this they have given. Find the total capacity of the drum. What we have to find? The total capacity, like from here to here, the full drum, how much it can hold. Okay, how much it can hold, this drum, how much it can hold oil, we have to find out. And given is it was first 3/4 full, then 15 liters they removed, and then what is remaining, 7/12, it is full. Okay, and we have to find the whole capacity, full capacity of the drum. Got it? So as we have to find the full capacity of the drum, we will take it as X, because we don't know what is the full capacity. So first statement we will write, let the total capacity of the drum be X. Okay, now this total capacity is what? X. Total capacity is now X. Okay, so total capacity, total kerosene, how much it was? So total kerosene oil in it is how much? 3/4. Now total capacity is X, and out of X it is 3/4 filled. Kerosene is 3/4 filled. So we'll write 3/4 of X. 3/4 of what? Of the whole X. The full X is 1. Out of that 3/4 is filled. Okay, so 3/4 of X. So what is 3/4 of X? Means 3/4 into X, that is 3x/4. Okay, next they have told, when 15 liters of oil is drawn from it. Okay, so next statement we will write, oil drawn from the drum. How much oil they drawn from the drum? 15 liters. Sorry, 15 liters. Okay. Okay. Next statement. After removing this oil, this 15 liter, this remains 7/12. Okay. So it is 7/12 full. So we will write, kerosene oil left in the drum. How much of kerosene oil left in the drum? That is 7/12. 7/12 of what? The whole X. Full capacity from that 7/12 remains. So 7/12 of X. So that is what? 7x/12, means 7 into X. Okay, 7x/12. Got it? So we will make the equation that first it was 3x/4. See here, we took the total capacity as X, but previously when it started it was how much? 3x/4 in the drum. Then this much amount of oil was removed, so it will be minus 15. Got it? So when this much oil was removed from this, how much remained? This much, 7x/12. Okay, Now we'll solve this. So if you see, this and this are like terms. The 3 upon 4 has x and 7 upon 12 has x. These both are like terms. 15 doesn't have x. So what we will do, we will bring 7 x upon 12 this side and 15 we will move it that side, okay, other side. So if we see 7x upon 12, what is the sign here? Nothing, means it is plus. So when it will come on this side, it will be minus. And this 15 sign is minus. When it will go there, it will become plus 15. Okay. And 3x upon 4 will remain as it is. So 3x upon 4, as it is a road, this comes here. So it will become minus 7x upon 12 is equal to minus 15 goes here, it will become plus 15. Okay. Now we have to subtract. But before subtraction, we require what? Equal denominators. So here there are different. So 12 goes in 4 table. So 4 3s are. So if I multiply 3 here, I will get 12. So up also I will multiply by 3. So what I get? 3 3s are 9x upon 12 minus 7x upon 12 is equal to 15. So 12 and 12 I got common, same. So we'll write it as common. Okay. So upon 12. And here what remains? 9x minus 2a, 7x. 9x minus 7x. So 9 minus 7 is 2. So we'll write 2x is equal to what remains? 15. Got it? Now here, these both have multiplication sign in between. If there is no sign then, okay. So we can reduce this. 2 1s are 2 6s are 12. So x upon 6 is equal to 15 remains. Now we have to find x. We have to find the value of x. So for that I have to move this 6 on the other side. So it is divide by 6. This is what division. Divide by 6. So when 6 goes there, it becomes multiply by 6. So x is equal to 15 as it is arrowed. Then division, divide by 6 goes there, it will become multiply by 6. So x is equal to 15 6 is 90. Okay, so what we got the value of x? 90. And what was our x? Let the total capacity of the drum be x. We have to find the total capacity of the drum. So we got it as 90 liters. Okay, so we'll write the final answer. The total capacity of the drum is 90 liters. Okay, so we have completed question number 1 of HOTS. Now we will start question number 2 of HOTS of chapter 2. Find the product of, product means multiplication. So we have to multiply all these numbers. Okay, see in the bracket they have given 1 minus 1 upon 2, same here, continues up to 1 minus 1 upon 10. So we have to solve these brackets and then we have to multiply and find the product of it. So let's start. So now we have wrote the question. So we will solve this. First we have to solve the bracket in. So inside what the equation they have given, we have to solve that. So first is what? 1 minus 1 upon 2. Okay. So we will just solve this. 1 minus 1 upon 2. So if we see there is subtraction, so we have to subtract this, but we require what? Same denominators, right? So for that what we will do? We will multiply, we take it 1 as the denominator. If there is no denominator, we'll multiply this 2 over here, but we'll get 2 as the denominator, then we will have same denominator. So up also we'll multiply by 2. So what we get? 2 1s are 2, down also 2 1s are 2, minus 1 upon 2. And then 2 and 2 both are same denominators, we'll take it as common. And then 2 minus 1 is 1 upon 2 minus 1 is 1, and then we get 1 upon 2. Okay, so instead of doing this much, what we can do? Directly if we see same method it is, we know that we have to multiply 2 over here. And then up also we'll multiply by 2. So directly this 2 I'll multiply. 2 1s are 2. Okay, 2 1s are 2 and then minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is what? 1. And this denominator 2 I will write as it is. So direct also I get 1 upon 2. Got it? So next what is it? 1 minus 1 upon 3. So I will show you that also. 1 minus 1 upon 3. Okay, same. There is nothing over here, so I will multiply 3 here. Up also will multiply like this. So instead of going for long method, what we will do, we will multiply 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 minus 1 is 2, and the denominator we will write 2 upon 3. Got it? Same way, 1 minus 1 upon 4. So 1 minus 1 upon 4. So 4 ones are 4, 4 minus 1, 3. 3 upon 4 I got. Same way we will have, there are that dot dot they have given means continuation. 1 minus 1 upon 5, 1 minus 1 upon 6. So we'll see for all of them. Okay, so 1 minus 1 upon 5, what? 5 ones are 5, 5 minus 1, 4. So 4 upon 5 we get. Okay, then 1 minus 1 upon 6, what we get? 6 ones are 6, minus 1, 5 upon 6. Okay, then 1 minus 1 upon 7, what we get? 7 ones are 7, minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6, and then denominator will write 6 upon 7. Same for 1 minus 1 upon 8. 8 ones are 8, minus 1, 7. 8 ones are 8, 8 minus 1, 7. 7 upon, the denominator will write 8, 7 upon 8. Then 1 minus 1 upon 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 minus 1, 8. And the denominator 9 we will write, 8 upon 9. And the last is 1 minus 1 upon 10. Again, 10 ones are 10, 10 minus 1 is what? 9. 10 ones are 10, 10 minus 1 is 9. And the denominator will write 9 upon 10. So we got all the brackets solved. So we will write this answers directly over. So first 1 minus 1 upon 2, what we got? 1 minus 1 upon 2 we got 1 upon 2. So I will write 1 upon 2. Okay, now here between the brackets there is no sign in between. So I will consider it as multiplication. Always remember, if there is no sign between the bracket, there is always multiplication. Next, for 1 minus 1 upon 3, what we got? 1 minus 1 upon 3, what we got? 2 upon 3. So we will write 2 upon 3. Multiply by 1 minus 1 upon 4, what we got? 1 minus 1 upon 4, we got 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. Then 1 minus 1 upon 5, we got 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5. Then 1 minus 1 upon 6, we got 5 upon 6. Okay. Then 1 minus 1 upon 7, we got 6 upon 7. Then 1 minus 1 upon 8, we got 7 upon 8. Then 1 minus 1 upon 9, we got 8 upon 9. And last, 1 minus 1 upon 10, we got 9 upon 10. Okay, so we have completed everything, solving the brackets. Now here, if we see, there are multiplications in between. So we can reduce the numbers. Okay, so starting from here, 1, 2 we cannot reduce, but in the cross we can reduce 2 and 2. So I cancel this. Okay, like this I cannot reduce. Now here, see 3 and 3 gets reduced. This nothing is there to reduce. But in the cross, this side you see 4 and 4 get reduced. 5 and 5 get reduced. 6 and 6 get reduced. 7 and 7 reduced. 8 and 8 reduced. 9 and 9 gets reduced. Now here nothing is there for 10 to get reduced with anyone. So what finally here in the numerator 1 is there, and here in the denominator 10 is there. So what I get? 1 upon 10. So this is the answer. Okay, so we have completed question number 2 of HOTS.